Spain buys Israel's Spike LR2 anti-tank missile. The Spanish government has approved a $287 million procurement of the Spike LR2 anti-tank missile. The procurement includes 1680 missiles. According to the information received, Spain's procurement of the Israeli Spike LR2 anti-tank missile includes 1680 missiles, 168 launchers, and logistic support services. The Spike LR2 missiles to be procured will replace the U.S. TOW missiles in the Spanish Army's inventory. Currently, the Spanish Army and Navy have been using the previous version of the Spike LR missile since 2009. According to the Spanish press, both the program documentation and the industrial plan for the procurement of the Spike LR2, involving some 5 Spanish companies, have been ready for months. The launch of the project was awaiting the approval of financing, which came last week. The Spanish Ministry of Defense will now submit the contract to the Council of Ministers for final approval, after which the contract will be signed with the prime contractor, Paptechnos, the Spanish partner of Israeli missile manufacturer Rafael. The ministry will pay for the program in annual installments over 5 years between 2023 and 2027. Production in Spain. According to the business model, the missiles will be produced in Spain. The Spanish defense company Paptechnos will act as the prime contractor, coordinating the 4 other Spanish companies involved in production: Escribano, Expal, Tecnobit, and FMG, Fábrica de Municiones de Granada. Rafael will also participate as a missile manufacturer. The Paptechnos plant in Torrejón, Madrid, will be a replica of Rafael's Spike production center in Israel. The company's 6,000 square meter center in Madrid will handle the final assembly of the Spike LR2 batch purchased by Spain, as well as orders for the missile from other countries. The industrial plan submitted to the Ministry of Defense in December is expected to create more than 100 jobs in 6 cities and achieve a high degree of nationalization in Spain, with a net investment of more than 90 million euros. It also includes life cycle support. The main novelty of the first phase of the program is the participation of Expal, which will work in the production of flight and launch engines and propellants. Escribano, on the other hand, will play a more important role in the program, and in addition to continuing to produce mechanical parts, will add other work packages related to the guidance unit and the ICLU, Integrated Command Launch Unit, as well as manufacturing the missile's canister. FMG will continue to be responsible for the production of the warheads, while Tecnobit will be involved in the guidance unit and the ICLU. Finally, Rafael will work on the fiber optics, and Paptechnos will be in charge of communications, the logistic support package, the wing unit, and, above all, the coordination of the various work packages and technology transfer. Spike LR2 Anti-Tank Missile Technical Specifications. Spike LR2 is an anti-tank missile system developed by the Israeli defense company Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. One of the most important features of the Spike LR2 is its long range. The missile has a range of 5.5 kilometers. It is also equipped with high-precision imaging technology and targeting systems. The Spike LR2 can be guided by the user through the wireless control system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.